Can we ask you a question?
Sure, yeah.
So we're doing a video about this. It's called 1 Million Lucky. It's $88 at like Macy's and stuff. You have the paper.
Oh, okay.
So I sprayed it on here.
Okay, day one, Sunday morning. I just finished running. My pores are dry. I took a quick shower. I'm ready to wear a Paco Rabanne 1 Million Lucky and get some compliments today. This is a sweet fragrance. I have tested it. You'll see a video before this that I talked about it for about 10 minutes. And this is very sweet. I don't know how much I should spray. I love to spray fragrances a lot. But in this situation, I will tread waters carefully. And here I go. 1, 2, 3. I already smell it full on, so I think that'll do it for now. I like to put some just right on my hand, so remind me of it. Yes, beautiful sugar smell right off the bat. Sugar and citrus. It does smell sweet because you might not be used to it. So, like I said on my earlier video, you should give this a try. Right off the bat, you might not like it, but I have grown to love this fragrance. Might even be one of my new signature ones, but we'll see. I'm gonna test it for 5 days. At the end of 5 days, we'll know. So I'll let you know tomorrow what happened. So we're back, and this is day 2 of the Lucky 1 Million Paco Rabanne Lucky Challenge. I want to wear it for 5 days to let you know what it's like to try it on and break it in. Yesterday I was at a mall, I was at the fragrance counter looking, and a very beautiful, I'm gonna say housewife type, wearing the athletic, you know, yoga type clothing, walked by me swiftly as she was browsing and said, somebody smells nice, and I was the only one there, so I assume it was me, but she was a real knockout. Anyway, I was still standing there, and an older gentleman was there, and he turned his head. This is 6 hours after I applied it in the morning, on Sunday morning. And I said, what is it that smells good? Of course, he's smelling fragrances, and he couldn't tell, and he goes, is that you? And I was kind of in a hurry. I didn't really answer him. I just kept walking. So I'm pretty sure I got 2 compliments. And here's what happened. I got my hair cut, but it was like a different type of person cutting the hair. And I said, I barely put a little squirt on the back of my neck. And she says, I say to her, can you smell that? She said, This is like a very beautiful goth woman. Not goth woman, but you know, the type. And she said, I said, do you like that? She goes, yeah, it's light, it's fresh, but she didn't seem to like really like it, but there's different tastes for different folks. Day 2, spraying right now. 1 on my hand, 1 on the back of the neck, and 1 like that, and that's it, because this stuff is potent. See you tomorrow. And so my final thoughts on 1 Million Lucky. It's a very versatile fragrance. You don't need much. In fact, I just sprayed it 3 times because I'm so used to shooting with that trigger. You can use this 1 spray for the office, 3 sprays if you're going out on the town all night. It's very strong as far as projection is concerned. It's sweet and loud, but if you just take the 1 sprays, it calms down, you know, just a little bit. So that's what I would recommend. I did fall for this fragrance. I fell in love with it. I really enjoyed wearing it. It's very easy to wear. Just be careful and figure out what situation you're going to be in before you squirt it. And that's all for this. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. Today's question of the day for you is, do you switch your fragrances for different situations? Comment down below. Tell me what you do. Thanks.
So I sprayed it on here. You can smell it. Just tell me what you think. Yeah.
Oh, can you spray more?
Yeah, totally.
It smells really good. That's why I want you to spray more.
Okay. You like it?
Wait, I have to go like this.
Okay.
My cat senses tell me yes.
Yes?
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yeah. Well, I mean, 1 million.
Is it free?
No, it's $88.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, online.
Oh, it's so good.
Ask her some specific questions.
Yeah, so on a scale of 1 to
Okay.
10, what would you rate that?
I'd say it's a 9.9.
Really?
9.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. So what do you like about it? Mainly. What do your cat senses tell you?
Well, yeah. Dude, actually, it reminds me of like when I go to Abercrombie, you know, and I pass the thing. Like I always have to go back.
Yeah.
Like I pass the store, you know, and then I just like, it's a really nice smell.
Right. So if some guy was wearing that
Yeah,
you're out at a club, would you try to get his number?
Totally.
Totally?
100%.
Nice.
Well,
Awesome.
I'd play it like he would get mine. You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
yeah,
I'm like good at that.
yeah. So you get real close to him, start touching him. Yeah, I feel you. Okay. And what's your name again?
Emily.
Emily, I'm Nick.
Nice.